What's going on, guys? Before we start, this is the sample before I apply the stuff I'm finna tell you to stop doing. So let's check it out first. Yeah, this is the sample. I'm gonna show you the finished process so we can start the video. So yeah, that was the finished process of the sample. Welcome back to the channel. My name is AJ if you are new, and today I'm gonna tell you some stuff you need to stop doing when you make these kind of cool Frank Dukes complex kind of samples. And before we start, just a disclaimer for these people that saying, oh, how do you know what they do and what they bro, these are just my ways of experimenting and getting closer to the sound that I'm trying to achieve. All right, so these all my ways. I just figured everything by myself. No school, no nothing musically. So yeah, chill out and yeah, let's just enjoy. So yeah, first thing first is stop doing loops. Don't make a sample that have 4 goddamn bars. Bro, please just stop that. And for me, I always count my samples for like 2 parts. Every part have 8 bars. As you hear it, the mixing of the sound is the biggest part in these kind of samples. I'm gonna go break it down one by one to you so you can understand. So yeah, let's start with the vocals first.
Oh.
Yeah, that's the main vocals I had going on. I just added a ultravoid, and a big thing I use these days is a shaper box. All right, shaper box is a plugin that has timing and filter and panning and volume, and what they do is a side chain effect. I wish they sponsor me for this one, but yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, cable guys, if you see this, sponsor your boy. Come on. That's with the ultravoid. You already know. Just give it that format pitch active is just so good. And with the shaper box, that's a volume shaper to the just to give it a groove and some stop and a reverb, an ambience, as you probably know ambience. So yeah, that's with the effects. Don't put the vocal sample as it is. Spend time chopping your vocals and stick to the rule that will guide you, and it's don't make your shit predictable. Alright, you have to not let the listener predict where the music will go. Always make it interesting by cutting stuff, adding stuff, and surprise the listener with sounds will caught him off guard. Yeah, and the next thing is please don't let the sounds fight for the same frequency. You have a 20k range, alright? Make every sound have its own frequency so they not clash or like becomes harsh to the ear and lose its sound. As you can see, I have 3 vocals. Main one is this one that I showed you, and this one. So yeah, with these vocals I just added this right here and pitch it up 1 octave and make it like bounce from left and right. And with the volume shaper, adds like a movement to the sound. And I have this vocal right here, this one, let's say the chorus of the sample, but yeah, this one sounds like yeah, with the pad right here. I added a ultravoid to it and a ambience and shaper box. Like I said, just give it a width and panning effect right here. It sounds like this. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, and I have these vocals too. The effects I added to this one is just ambience delay, shaper box as well. Shaper box is the real goal right here in this video. So yeah, it sounds like this after I add them. It'll just bounce right and left. Now to the sounds I have. I added this pad right here. It's a great shot. And I also added to it a shaper box just to give it that movement. Like I said, it just sounds like this right now. Yeah, this is the shape I created. It's not a preset, it's just give it a good movement to the sound. Also, I added this right here. It's one-shot bells. I added to it a mono control and a reverb and a shaper box. Reverb just gave it like a pad kind of sound. With the control and with the shaper box also, I added this pan effects and a volume shaper to it. Sounds like this right now. And here I think is I active above. Yeah, that's good. I added some snares, some drums. It's just like the same drums you have. This is a clap. This is a clap, and how you make it sound like this drum is just like degrade the sample rate for it. Like this is it. Just degrade the sample rate to 500. It's just gonna make every sound like this. And yeah, these some crashes and bell just to start it, and a texture to the sound. Yeah, and some drums, loop drum I made. Some accent notes right here. And the bass. Bass is a guitar one shot I have. I can't remember, to be honest, from where I got that. But yeah. It's just a one shot and it sounds like not full. So I added a EQ and some flanger or flanges. I don't know how to say that to this day. Even though a lot of people comment how to say that, but no, I'm gonna say flanges. That sounds right. And a compression OTT is a free plugin. It's a great plugin to a multi-band compressor. And a flanger and flanges and pretty coarse. The bass sounds like this right now. Sounds like a roomy. Yeah, and depth have a lot of low end to it. A tip right here is add this plugin. I added a lot on the master. It's just like a sound shifter from waves. Play with the pitch of the whole sample every 5 minutes. That just keeps you motivated and creative to not get bored of the same sound you hear. So yeah, and I added some, what is this? Yeah, some accent notes, ear candy stuff, just to make the drop sounds more. Yeah, that's just a bass guitar slide I added. And here are just a pad. Yeah, just 2 strings to make it kind of soulful, add that soulful touch to it. And here are some accent notes too. Like I said, this pad and this one shot with the effects, with the volume shaper box, and they all sounds clean. Yeah, this one, yeah, like I said, just texture to make the drop more like impact. The same bell. These are the vocals, and yeah, this is the sample breakdown. And I'm sorry I let y'all wait that much to drop a new one, but yeah, I'm gonna start to cook up some new stuff. And also I'm gonna start streaming on Twitch, and let me know in the comments if y'all down for this idea or not. And basically that's it. Hope you enjoyed, and peace.